At Toronto Hair Transplant Surgeons, we know the difficulties that come with hair loss, the loss of confidence, the surprise of seeing a photo of yourself and thinking, I didn't know it looked that bad.
We have over 40 years of combined experience. We've treated thousands of patients from around the world, so we have the experience and expertise to ensure a safe and seamless hair transplant. Unlike almost every other hair transplant clinic in Canada, when you come to us, the critical parts of every consultation and surgery are personally handled by us, your surgeons, not technicians.
There's a reason we control every step of your surgery, from hairline design to graft harvest to site creation.
Because we don't think you should call yourself a hair transplant surgeon if you're not actually the one doing the surgery.
As surgeons, we personally take responsibility for your procedure so we can stand behind our work and ensure you get the best result.
Our approach is different. It's defined by a genuine commitment to our patients. We take the time to understand your goals, ensuring your treatment plan aligns with your needs. We are dedicated to excellence in hair restoration, focused solely on delivering outstanding results.
For our patients, this isn't just a procedure, it's a life-changing journey. As one of the most experienced practices on the continent, we can give you honest, realistic advice, not a flashy sales pitch. And even after surgery, we continue to support you for years to come. That's why so many of our patients refer their siblings, friends, even their kids, because we are as invested in restoring your confidence as you are.
Transformations have been our daily business since 2002. The art of creating natural-looking, lasting results isn't just our profession. It's the core of what we do every single day. Book a consultation with us and get your surgery done by surgeons, not technicians.
Restore your hair.
Restore your confidence.